Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes? Before going to the topic, I will say you some of exercise. Be ready students? Everyone stand. Stand. Hands up. Put your hands down. Hands up. Put your hands down. Jump. Stop. Jump, stop. Sit, stand. Sit, stand. Jump, stop. Jump, stop. Hands up, put your hands down. 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 Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. Stop. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Jump. Stop. Stand. Sit. Sit. Stand. Sit. Stand. Jump. Stop. Sit children. Take position. Coming to the point. What you learned? Children, how to add the numbers? Again I will show you. You should add the numbers. See? First bit. Add 2-digit numbers with regrouping. See, 77 plus 43. Okay. Now, what you have to do? You should draw the column. S. Should draw the columns ones place, tens place, because 2-digit numbers here. S. Should draw the column. Again, plus symbol you should draw. Now, what is this number? 77. Here which number is here? 43. 43. Ones place 3, tens place 4. That's why tens place 4, ones place 3 you should write. Okay. Again, what you have to do? You should add these two numbers. In ones place you should add first. As see, 7 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10. If 10 come like that only you should write. No, you should write here 0, 1, carry forward. See, 10. In ones place which number is here? That 0 you should write here. This number you should carry forward to tens place. Understood children? Again you should add these 3 numbers. See, 7 in the mind, take 1 finger. 7 after 8. 8 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12. That 12 you should write here. What is that answer? 120 is the answer. S. See, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. 120 is the answer. Understood? Next one. Next bit. 65 plus 37. See, again you should draw the column. Ones place, tens place. Okay. Now, see, tens place which number is here? 6. That 6 you should write here. Ones place which number is here? 5. That 5 you should write here. Here tens place which number is here? 3. That 3 you should write. Ones place which number is here? 7. That 7 you should write. What you have to do? These two numbers you should add. Addition symbol is plus. You should draw the plus symbol. Again what you have to do? You should add ones place first. 7 in the mind, take 5 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2-digit number came. S, 12 came. What you have to do? You should write this 2 here. This one carry forward to tens place. Understood? Now, you should add these 3 numbers now. S, 6 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9. 9 in the mind, take 1 finger. 9 after 10. That 10 you should write here. 102. Understood, children? 102. Copy in the classwork. Two more sums I will give you, okay? Next. C1, D1. This is 2-digit numbers, okay? 83, 79. Here 94 plus 67. Okay, see, again what you have to do? You should draw the column. First draw the column. How many columns you should draw? 2 columns, because this is 2-digit numbers. Understood? Ones, tens. What is the number is in first number? Which number is in first number? Tell me. 83. 8 is in tens place, 3 is in ones place. Next number 79. That 7 is in tens place, 9 is in ones place. What you have to do? You should add this. See children, you should add these two numbers. Ones place you should add. 9 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12. 12. 2-digit number came. You should write 2-digit number here. Here? No. What you have to do? You should write 2 here, 1 carry forward to tens place. Again you should add these two numbers. 8 in the mind, take 1 fingers. 8 after 9. 9 in the mind, take 7. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 you should write here. Understood? What is that answer? 162 is the answer. Understood, children? Now again what you have to do? You should draw the column. Ones place, tens place. See? What is that number? First number 94. Next number 67. You should add. As addition symbol you should draw. Again what you have to do? Should add ones place first. 7 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Like that only you should write? No. 1 here, 1 carry forward. Again 9 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 9 after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 in the mind, take 1 finger. 15 after 16. 161 is the answer. Okay children, copy in the classwork ma. See children, 3-digit numbers with 3 grouping. What you have to do? You should write first ones place, tens place, hundred place. Again you should draw the columns. 3-digit numbers, you should draw 3 columns. Okay. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. See, you should adding symbol you should write. Addition symbol. Okay. What is that number? First number 434. In hundreds place which number is there? 4 is there. Tens place which number is there? 3 is there. Ones place which number is there? 4 is there. Okay. 434. Now, in next number, which number is here? 653. See, hundreds place 6, tens place 5, ones place 3. First you should add ones place. See, 4 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 4 after, 5, 6, 7. That 7 you should write here. 5 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 5 after, 6, 7, 8. That 8 you should write here. 6 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10. That 10 you should write here. What is that answer? 1087 is the answer. Understood, children? Next sum. Next sum, children. 567 plus 483. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. S should draw the column like this. Again, you should write the symbol. Plus symbol you should write. S because addition symbol is plus. S. What is that in hundreds place? Number. Which number is here? 5. That 5 you should write here. Tens place which number is here? 6. Ones place which number is here? 7. That 7 you should write here. Again, here, hundreds place which number is here? 4. That 4 you should write down. Again, tens place which number is here? 8. That 8 you should write in tens place. Ones place which number is there? 3. That 3 you should write here. You should add first ones place. Here, what is that number? 7 and 3 is there. 7 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 7 after, 8, 9, 10. 2-digit number came. As 10 means what? 2-digit number. This here, ones place which number is here? 0. That 0 you should write down. This 1 carry forward to tens place. Understood, children? Again you should add these 3 numbers. 1, 6, 8 you should add. 8 in the mind. Take 6 fingers. 8 after, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 in the mind. Take 1 finger. 14 after, 15. See, again 15 came. What you have to do? This 5 here. This one carry forward hundreds place. Okay. Again what you have to do? You should add 1, 5, 4. 1, 5, 4 you should add. 5 in the mind, take 1 finger. 5 after, 6. 6 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 6 after, 7, 8, 9, 10. As that 10 you should write here. What is that answer? 1050 is the answer. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork. Two more sums I will give you, children. See, ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Should write place value chart as ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Now plus symbol you should draw. Again, what is that number? 546 plus 436. What you have to do? You should add ones place first. 6 plus 6. 6 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. See, 1 to 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. S. See, this 2 you should write in ones place. Tens place, which number is here? 1. That tens place 1 you should carry forward to tens place. Understood? Again you should add these 3 numbers. 4 in the mind, take 1 finger. 4 after 5. 5 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8. That 8 you should write here. Again you should add hundreds place. As ones over, tens over. Now you should add hundreds place. 5 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. That 9 you should write here. What is that answer? 982 is the answer. One more sum, children. See, again what you have to do, you should draw the column. Ones, tens, hundreds. As see, 463, 473. First ones place you should add 3 plus 3. 3 in the mind, take 3 fingers. 3 after 4, 5, 6. That 6 you should write here. This is in ones place numbers you added. Now tens place numbers you should add. 7 in the mind, take 6 fingers. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. 1, 3, 13 came. What you have to do? Ones place which number is there? 3. That 3 you should write here. This number you should carry forward. Understood? Again these 3 numbers you should add. 4 in the mind, take 1 finger. 4 after 5. 5 in the mind, take 4 fingers. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. That 9 you should write here. What is that answer? 936 is the answer. Understood, children? What I said? Copy in the classwork. I will give you homework, children. This type of sums you should do. Okay? Children, everyone open your homework book and do the sums in the homework book. Okay? See, copy in the homework book and do the homework. Do it in the homework book, ma. This is your homework.